Let's check the font style setting. Sometimes you can see if I create some font here manually, this description, anything elevation, if I click here, suppose I have fonts. Okay, so now if you see, if I remove this label away, you will see that the arrow does not reach to the center of the point. So how to fix this issue? Sometimes we need to make the point arrow on the center. If you want to check the separate, just click on this one and then control one. And here and the leader attachment. The leader attachment option is from mark style. So change this to point one and now you can see the one take to here. Suppose I want to do this for all. So first you check the style of the font. Just check the font style, which font style is using and this basic. So it's just go to the setting. From the setting tab, just go to the point. From point, this font style, and this, as you can see, this sign showing that this style is in use here. So just click on here, go to edit. From the edit, go to summary. This one, the last one, and from the marker, leader stop at the marker. This option just turn off, and then click apply. Okay. Now you can see all the leader and the center. Okay. Another thing for the alignment, if I start an alignment here, you can see if I create alignment from the object, just increase the scale here, and now you can see the end station. Sometimes it's not ending with this issue. You will see this end station. Suppose if I open this one, a new drawing, and I draw just a line here. Okay. So if I create from the point, from the object, you will see the end station. The end station here, if I move this one here, you will see this is not a rounding. This showing that 89 plus 75920, but here it's not showing. So one solution is just press the control. If you select the whole, you can see when I select one, it's selecting all. So if you press shift control, and you can select the only one and then delete the one here, or the other solution I will control Z here. Just double click inside here, and you will see it will replace to its original font. Just click here on it and go to edit label style. From here you can see this is the major station. Just click here, go to major station. From here this is the station value. Just select these things. From here, as you can see, the precision is 1. So just select the 2 digit and then click here. And now you can see the station. If I change the scale to it, you will see here. Now it's exactly the same station is showing here. So you can adjust this one. Just flip label on the other side if it is disturbing like this, so you can adjust this label here. Okay, this was the trick part, the alignment. So I will now let's check the third thing here. For the surfaces, suppose I have three surfaces. The one, if I check here the surface property, the style is given. So if I want to check how many style using here and which surface have which style, just go to the setting tab. From here go to surface, and from here the surface style. Now you can see all these styles, but here once these three styles have this arrow and the corner, it means these styles are used here. So where these styles are using, just you will check here. Suppose I will right click here and find reference this surface 1 and 3, they are using here in surface 1 and 3. Okay, the other style is using in surface 2, so it's the one style this one using in surface 2. The other one here, if I check here, is using and the properties of the drawing setting, it's using by default this style is used. Okay, if I want to change all the to select only style in surface style at once, and I want to change, so first let's replace this surface 2 style, replace with the first one. Okay, now as you can see all the three surfaces have the same style here. If I want to replace this style, go to replace with, and you can replace with the any one of the style, on this style. If you can, now as you can see all the style at once, it's changed. If I want to change this one, find reference, and this is use here, let's go to browse here, and this will take you here by default. This time from here is using here by default, so just right click here and go to edit feature set. In edit feature setting, you can change by default here. In the option there are a lot of options, you must come and check one by one if you have time. So on this one, for this here, the default style is elevation band like this one. If I will create a new surface, so it's will create like this. And the other mark style, as I change here, as you can see the mark style, they have child or right, same like for the smart elevation is changing. So from here you can change by default style. Suppose if anyone I want to change, I can change from here. Okay, the next thing for I will just change the all the style with this style is using here, so I will replace with the one here. Okay, suppose the next thing, if I have line here, I will create copy from this one, and I go to here to insert here and label. As you can see the surface label, and from here section there are different type of label you can use. So you will create now for the here label style here. Suppose we will create some line and curve. For the line and curve, the segment is bearing only, bearing and distance, like different type of I can use bearing and distance, anything, and I can check here. You can see. So for this one, if you want to create a single label, suppose here there are different options, so just go to the here, and from the journal this label style, these nodes. You can create here a line. Suppose I have arc here. First, if I want to put a label here, just to for the line and curve, and this bearing here. Let's just bearing or anything here. Just check the radius only, and I put a label here. Okay. Suppose I want to add here the grade check. What where the grade is changing. This is just for practice. So let's check how we will add this one. Just go to setting, go to general, this label style, and in curve you can see here the radius which I use here. So if you want to add new one, just create new here. You can edit and radius and grade check. Hamid. Then this apply this chain one. Then now go to layout. Just check. Now here the radius. We have one option here. Just go inside here. Yes. Press enter right here. Grade check. Or you can write near here. Here to just check, place a space here and comma, and then grade check equal, and here you can see the check grade is the person. Then you just click here, and just press here. The precision you can adjust. So we will check this one. Now you can see the grade check here appear here. So if I now check another first, when I created this only this creator. So if I want to check the radius and grade check one, just go to add label, go to line and curve here, and the same one, just check the another one we created here, and just click here, and now as you can see, it's the radius with the grade check appear here. So like this you can create your own label where you need. Sometimes we need an extra label for many things, so you can create like this. So this was today video. Hopefully you will practice on these things. Okay, thank you.